Hey everybody, it's Douglas here. I want to show you a time-saving automation, especially if you like working in Canva. There's some really cool things that you can do to bulk create content, which I'll get into in a little bit, but then the problem is often what that results in is just a folder of random images. You don't know which is which. You don't know the name, let alone if you want, they're all like file or page 1 through 10. So you got to look at them individually. But then again, you might even want to do more things than just maybe give the file a nice name. You might want to create a post or captions or hashtags based off the content of the image. So I'm going to show you a little bit some of the things that you can do to make this work. Okay, so here in ChatGPT, I just, for an example, came up with 5 famous quotes. I got that into a spreadsheet, cleaned it up a little bit, and what you could then do is export this as a CSV. If you have the paid plan on Canva, what you can do is go down to bulk create. If you can't find it there, you go in here and you search for bulk, and then you choose bulk create. You need the paid plan, which we don't have right now. So, we haven't been using this recently. So I'm just gonna pretend that basically if you had 50 quotes in here, you create one template, you make this dynamic, and then it basically takes the quotes from a spreadsheet and it will replace them. And you could have multiple dynamic fields in here, like you could have another column with the name. In this case, it's just the quote and the name all in one. So you say you have now 40 in here. If you pressed export, they would all just be named page 1, page 2, page 3, etc. Well, we want to name them automatically using AI. And that's going to be just the basics of what we can do because, like I say, you could absolutely do other things. So what I got is I've created this automation, which is going to, when it works, output them into this folder. And so what it does is it will search the Canva design, it will output all the pages, it will then look at the contents of that image, it will rename it, upload the file, it will upload the file and name it, and then it will go through all of those. So why don't we run this scenario and see if we get 3 properly named files in our folder. I'll pause while this works. All right, so it looks like it worked. It ran through the process. It found those 3 files, and it outputted them. And look at what happened. So now it automatically knows what's in the image, and then it named them appropriately, at least enough for you to know which ones you're talking about. So basically, that's at the root of it, a very simple way to bulk export from Canva with properly named files based off of AI using vision to do it. That's like helpful, but imagine, just to give you that idea one more time, imagine if we implemented some more modules in there so it could output it from Canva into maybe even a scheduler platform with proper captions and hashtags. So that would save so much time. And there's even ways to do it where you don't even need Canva. If you could imagine it, you could upload a spreadsheet and not even touch a design tool. We use more of an engineer's version of Canva. That's why we don't have the subscription right now. And it allows you to completely output any types of graphics you want, even video. So hopefully you see the power of what AI can do when it comes to analyzing imagery in the process of an automation. That's just the tip of the iceberg. So much is possible. So if you like this video, if you want to talk about how we might be able to do some of that for your company, your digital marketing team, feel free to get in touch and we would love to chat. Thanks for watching.